What's up, guys? We're back with another video. Today, as you see in that thumbnails, we are making what today, Miss Malia?
Korean corn dogs.
Korean corn dogs.
She wanted to make some Korean corn dogs. We don't know what we're doing, but we're here in Walmart.
Wally.
Oh, I forgot. I'm so rude. Let me forget. I forgot to introduce
Today
the family. I forgot to introduce the family. Who am I with today?
Me.
Malia, and that's who's doing the corn dog. And we have, of course,
Me.
Big
Just
Daddy.
Me. It's just me, y'all. Me.
Daddy
Just
Steven. Oh, you heard her. She say, come on. She don't be wanting us to say all that stuff. But anyways, let's get into this video, guys. We're going to go ahead and get the ingredients to make these Korean corn dogs for Miss Malia. She been harassing us for it. So I hope you have your list. You have your list?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Oh my God, these kids. Okay, so let's get it together, guys. We're going to see you guys inside of Walmart, okay? Don't forget, like, comment, and share this video. It's been a while. I miss you guys. So we're going to talk on the next video. Commercial. All right, guys. So we're in Walmart picking up some stuff. So far, we done picked up. We got some of the cheese. Mozzarella cheese, hot dog, and that's Angus. And she got Dynamite to smush in it. And I just picked up an extra little chips we need to drink. Big Daddy over there getting him some drinks so we could get us some cocktail. Get our little cocktail on. Been a while. I miss you guys. What's up? So yeah, this is what we're doing today. And today is September 27th. It's been a rough September, but we here, no mind the nails and everything. It's been a rough September, but God is greater, okay? Always remember that. But yeah, guys, we just getting some stuff ready to get these Korean hot dogs going. Miss Malia wants some Korean hot dogs. So we don't have much to do today, so that's what we're going to do. And make also some sandwich, I don't know what they call it, some sliders, some burger sliders, things like that. But yeah, this is what we got going on. And I don't want to get copyright because the music is playing. Maybe that's the beat. We'll see you guys once we get when we get back. We'll see you guys when we get maybe to the house with everything. Come on. All right, guys, so we back and we home from Walmart, and we got our ingredients for the Korean corn dogs. That's the name of them, Korean corn dogs, guys. So that's what we will be making today. So let's show you guys. Let us show you guys what we have. You want to explain to everybody what we got going on? But we were also going to be doing some slider burgers, but I'm gonna just put that to the side. So this video is just Korean corn dog, basically. All right, so let's show the vlogs what we have. What you got going on? What you got for us? What you got for us prepared? All right, guys, so let's see. Show us.
We have the chips.
That we're gonna be smashing those.
The hot dogs.
Them doggy dogs.
The string cheese. Breadcrumbs. And the skewers.
Yeah, and then we have the bamboo skewers. Oh, she using Dynamites if you guys would like to know what she using. So it's the Dynamite Doritos. All right. Oh, and we also have the dough to put it in as well. You got to have the dough if you're going to make corn dog, and the breadcrumbs. I think she did say the breadcrumbs. So, and later on we will be making the hamburger sliders with bacon and everything. So we got that. We're about to do that. So let me get her something to knock that down, because we got to smush it. Here, so you can use this. How can I turn it? Yeah. It'd be better if you do it this way so it don't bring a hole like this. Just, yeah, sideways. So she's going to do that. I'm also going to go ahead and probably smush mine, or I just use breadcrumbs on mine, because I was going to use chips. So it's gonna be a lot of work. See, I don't know. I never did this before, guys. Y'all let us know. Comment down below. Have you done Korean hot dogs already? You know these beef. Put it in the comments. Let us know if you tried this before, because good. So we already have the breadcrumbs. We don't have to smush those. And get the hot dog ready. We like beef. You only do beef hot dogs, guys, because that's what we prefer. How do you guys open your hot dogs? Do y'all cut it from the back, the front, or you just, you know, hold it and open it from here?
The egg.
Yeah, we get the thing. Just slide it and open it. So far, this is what we got. That means I have to do a voiceover?
Yeah.
No. So this is how we doing it. Doing it different. Just an example, guys, of what we doing. All right. So stay tuned and keep watching. All right. So let's get the other one.
Rampage.
So guys, we made the batter a little bit too watery, so we add flour to it. That's what we have so far. And we hoping this time it works, okay? Because it was a little bit too watery. Let me see. Let me help you out. Get that going. Hopefully this worked now.
Yeah.
How do you know it's cheap? You see, what happened was cheap.
Okay, that look a little bit stickier. So let's see what it do.
Remember Maggie, the dog from down the road? She just came in the house and got all crazy and started like.
Should you put the crumbs on it? Where else are you gonna put on it? Oh, I thought you put that at the end. Put it in the cup. All right, she's doing that. So let me make sure the stove, the frying pan is getting hot. Got that getting hot over there. So we're gonna see what we're gonna do.
Why does this keep coming off, bro?
Well, it's not gonna come perfect. It'll probably be better in the cup, guys. I think I'm gonna try putting it in the cup. Let's try putting it in the cup, because right now it is not working. So we're gonna try putting it in the cup instead of putting it in this. So let's try that. Commercial. Okay, guys. So we're gonna try putting it in the glass. Okay. I'm gonna have to keep swirling it till I get it to the fryer. Let me see what's gonna happen. These the first two. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. We're gonna see what's gonna happen with the first two Korean corn dogs. Alright, so
OMG.
catch the other ones because they might cook fast. You don't want them to burn. The first one look like they about to burn, y'all. Look this. They look like they about to burn. You don't want them to burn. Take that one out. Probably turn this down a little bit.
That does not look like crazy.
We trying, guys. I don't know what this is. But we trying. I gotta add more dough to that one. So hey guys, we're back. We finished with this. They look crazy. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and show you. We really try, right, Malia? Come on in this video. She don't want to show you guys, but yeah, this is real life. This is what it look. This ain't pretending. This ain't AI. This is how it came out for us.
Definitely.
This is how it came out for us. So now we're gonna just taste it and try it out for you guys. I am terrified of this.
Oh.
No matter what it is. Grab one.
Okay.
Take it!
There it is.
He trying to think if it's a hot dog or mozzarella. You want hot dog or mozzarella?
I want a hot dog in there.
Okay, so this is a hot dog. That's a hot dog here.
Gee.
And this is the hot dog as well.
Okay.
You want to put hot...
What is this? Is just the bread?
You want to put ketchup? Let's get ketchup
Sure.
or something to put on it.
All right, y'all. We gonna try it out.
1, 2, 3.
Not up to crunch, but it's just fire. Not bad.
Not bad. Ooh, you're stretching. Might look a little funny,
I guess so.
but it tastes good. This one is the plain hot dog.
Gotcha. Not bad, y'all. Try it out. Let me know what it take, what it feel like.
Comment down below if you tried this before. Hers is stretching. She got the regular just cheese.
Oh, and the cheese and hot dog. I did hot
Yours wasn't just cheese and hot dog?
dog. No.
Yours was just hot dog.
Yep.
Like mine's is just hot dog.
Yep.
But not so bad, guys. We're gonna put the ingredients in the comment, in the description. You guys should try it out. Korean hot dogs. No disrespect to the Koreans. We try. We literally try. So, but it tastes so good still. So shout out to you guys. And shout out to Malia for letting us try these out. Hope you enjoyed the video.